What's up, guys? And as BTC starts to retrace, you guys already know, if you kept up to date with yesterday's video, you should be in profits right now on the shorts. But as always, in any movement, there is an opportunity. And today I want to show you the different opportunities I'm currently looking for. And one key indicator that nobody is currently talking about, which shows that the BTC bottom might just be in. So without further ado, let's have a look at the Bitcoin price. And yesterday, we mentioned that there was a higher high, right, and a lower low. So that means that we will be entering some kind of downtrend here, right? Just some kind of downwards momentum, which we recently just hit. And that meant in what, a 3% dip, right? Yeah, about a 3% dip. So you guys, 10x leverage, you're talking about 30% profit rights here. And that does mean that you can start putting your stop loss to entries and riding this free trade. Right now, currently sitting in pretty decent profits right now, but that is not the end of the plan. This is only just the beginning. And you always do have to be careful. Like if you're talking in terms of levels here, we have already hit one level, which does mean that this could be turning into a support. This is why obviously you have take profit levels so you don't get burnt in the market. You always have to make sure that you're not getting overly bullish and you are taking care of the levels how you need to. But at least you should be in profits right now. And if you was long, you should also be sat in some decent profits because we're still not where the retrace ends. Personally, I think this retracement continues and I am waiting for a long position to also come from this 28,100 level. So make sure that you guys, if you are using TradingView and you're keeping up to date, you can literally copy this chart. Let me know in the comments as well, actually, if you want me just to send you guys this chart and send you the indicators I'm using so you can stay along. But you can literally copy this level and wait here. This will be the biggest support level that we have. It's also a high node as well. So it's something called a high volume node. And that is also a high volume node level as well at this 28K region. And that will be a huge support. Also, the cloud, if you look here, this cloud is huge. So that means that it's a highly unlikely that if we come down to here, that we do not bounce, right? We should be bouncing from this level as well, guys. So don't worry if you see any sharp movements, if you see any hack news, if you see any, craziness on Twitter, don't be afraid. We do have a lot of levels of support. And obviously, this could already be the support. We could be generating a new level here. We don't know. We just have to let the price play out. We can only trade level by level. But what is very interesting, if we look on longer time frames here and we get rid of the Ichimoku, if we are also talking about level by level, right, we can see that if we break this level here, right, if we break this level and we can maybe come up to about 33K and secure this level, maybe trade in this range before the bull run, this will be a mega rally. And this is an absolute warning to anybody that is tuning in. This will be a mega rally. If we stay like this without any black swan events, we will fly into the bull run. Because if we're talking about levels here, this is the bull market level. This is where altcoins start flying. This is where, people start calling those crypto guys lucky again. And Lamborghinis go through the roof. Everyone starts buying Richard Mills again. And the Rolex market recovers, right? This level is a very, very big level for anybody inside of crypto. And you can see we are knocking on the door right here, and we are very, very close to getting there. Now, let me show you something very interesting that I also noticed, is there is a lot of mainstream media right now talking about Wall Street, and this has led to a huge rise in the BTC interest on Google Trends. And those of you guys know, Google Trends means that Bitcoin will start going back into the media because the media gets paid up by clicks. And if they start realizing that they can get clicks by talking about Bitcoin again, because people are interested in search, then you guys will see Bitcoin will start to get more interest. People will start covering the price. You'll start seeing it on Yahoo Finance and any other news channels again. And then big industries will start to invest again. And you can see the bottom is in, right? The bottom was about 46. Over here we had 53, 46 again. This was the lowest we had been in May for BTC interest. Nobody cared about it. Nobody was watching YouTube videos. Nobody was doing anything. And now you can see we're back at 59 and we'll be rallying very, very soon. If we go to the like 5-year chart, you'll see there was huge spikes in BTC interest in obviously 2021, a massive rally towards the beginning of 2021, the most it's ever been, right? And the lowest it's ever been was about a 10, obviously in 2019. In 2019 again, we never hit that again. The lowest we hit was about 27. And since then, for the past 2 years, nobody has been interested in Bitcoin. Like nobody has. And right now we are just about ticking up in this chart as well. So there's so much interest in crypto now. People want to get started in the space. And if you want to get started investing, you want to consistently invest into the crypto market, make sure you guys join the Side Hustle Club Discord below. You guys will see we have live calls every single day. This is the chat with over 1,200 people interested in it. I'll show you everything about SMMA, drop shipping and reselling. Some of the businesses that I have personally used to invest consistently into the cryptocurrency market. And I will show you completely for free. I don't need your money. I've got enough as it is right now. I'm simply here to leave my, foundations on what I have learned. Obviously, we do have some type of paid products in there, completely transparent, but the information in there is all for free. And we do daily live calls for free as well. No charge needed. You just have to turn up and take the actions. And I will show you how I consistently invest into the market. And again, guys, I'm going to keep on reminding you of this. If you keep tuning in, we are 245 days away from the BTC halving. And after that moment, you guys will see altcoins will completely fly. They will fly, right? And there's a lot of tokens that I've been keeping my eye on, right? Not strong, right? I have been keeping an eye on strong, but not strong just yet. I don't think it's that time to start, buying nodes again and stuff like that. It's not really the time for that. However, these are the tokens that I have currently been keeping my eye on. And one token in particular that I want to show you, which is quite interesting, is Nakamoto Games. Now, recently, Nakamoto Games has actually, and it's moving again, but Nakamoto Games in the past year has done a 10x, right? So it's done a 10x in price in the past year, which is absolutely ridiculous from the absolute bottom. I think the bottom was 0.05. There's maybe a 10x, about like a 5, 6x or something. I'm not going to do the maths live on stream, but it's flying, right? It's flying, and we are nowhere near all-time high. This is the token that I was investing to private sales. This is why I try and make you guys aware of private sales. Nakamoto Games is a 40x. I personally pulled out 6 figures from Nakamoto Games over in this price range over here, and we've still been in profit this whole way. It hasn't gone below private sale price. Right now, it's still above private sale price. So if those of you guys that say private sales are over, no, it's not. You just need to get the right ones, and it's about timing. Right now, the whole of the private sale supply for, I think it's private sale 1 and private sale 2, probably not seed, is already out on the market. So Nakamoto Games is open. So I wouldn't say buy it now, but what I would say, guys, is keep an eye on tokens like this, because the ones that have released all the supply, these are ones where you can get 10x on open market. On open market. And as BTC starts to trend, you will see there'll be opportunities like this all over, right? Other opportunities, I'll also put this chart below, but there are other opportunities which I'm looking for in my phase 1 market plan. Now, for those of you guys that are new to the channel, we are doing what is called phase 1, and phase 1 means we are only looking for larger market cap altcoins. So obviously we'll keep an eye on, the Nakamoto Games and the Dreams Quest out there, and XTP and some of the other smaller market cap altcoins, but we're not going to be investing into them yet. We're going to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Polkadot, Polygon, Near Protocol, and Gala Games. They're my personal selections. Guys, let me know your selections. I'll consider them in the comments. But these are my personal selections. And as you can see, everything is pretty much in profit over the past 7 days. And they will continue to go with that. They'll continue to basically fly, right? If we have a look at some of the charts out there, right? If we go back to TradingView, I just want to show you something very interesting. So make sure you guys stay tuned and obviously smash the like button below, because I'm going to show you guys the power that you can have by investing into some of these altcoins, right? If you're staying tuned, you're keeping your head in the market while interest is super low, and you are staying tuned with the market, you will be rewarded. Because right now, if you look at the long-term chart, this is the lowest, right? The lowest that Gala Games has ever been. They haven't lost any money. They haven't stopped developing. They haven't lost any users. These guys are continuing to grow as a business. Yet the price does not reflect that. And that is the benefit, right? We're not in the stock market, right? We're not buying equity into the company. The value of this company, I don't have no clue about it, but it's probably grown, right? The value of the actual company is probably grown, but the crypto price does not reflect that. And we are 10x away from basically the average price, right? And we are over 20x away from all-time high. And do I think Gala Games will go back to all-time high? I'll put my neck on the line here. Yes, I do, because I'm personally invested into this. I think that Gala Games will go back to all-time high, and I wouldn't invest into it personally if I did not think that. And this is why I like these types of gaming companies, because Gala Games is the Bitcoin of the gaming ecosystem, right? It was the big daddy, right? Along with some other coins that I don't care about. But I like these types of projects because on market they're getting close to, you know, all of the private sale and seed sale finishing, and all of these guys have been selling. They're all at 98 to 90% loss, and we will be making 10x, 20x gains on their losses, right? Because they didn't want to take the risk. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys want to keep track of this, I'll add this watch list below. Thank you very much for tuning into the video. I'll keep this one as short as I possibly can. And as always, guys, keep your head on, stay calm. We're still almost a year away from the BTC halving. Dollar cost average into the market. Make money online. If you want to learn how to make money online, join the Discord channel below. I'll help you completely for free. And stay safe in the market, guys. Peace.